If you like boating fun, water activities, and family adventures of Miami style living, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on all notifications to get all incoming new videos. But now, let's stay tuned for today's adventure. How you doing, guys? So welcome back. And like you can see, we're here at the boat ramp and it's pretty full. But actually today we're going to a different location, one of my favorite islands here in Miami. And you guys are coming along for the ride for today. See, the day is beautiful and we're gonna take advantage of it right here. Yep, so like you guys know, coronavirus is really canceling a lot of projects and a lot of events, especially here in Miami. Calle Ocho was canceled, Ultra was canceled, and other events, but not boating. Boating is not canceled yet, so we're going and you guys are coming along today. Have some fun. We're gonna enjoy the beautiful day, and I guess there's a lot of people doing the same thing because there's a lot of jet skiers and boaters out here. So they're gonna have some fun and we're gonna have some fun, so let's go. Oh, and by the way, while I was pumping gas today, I met an old fan, Orlando. ¿Cómo anda? I met Orlando. He's been watching us since my kids were little, so it was pretty nice to meet him in person. So gracias, Orlando. Gracias por ver todos los videos. So yep, we're here to enjoy the day and see what happened, man. So let's go with the show. All right, you ready for the show? Oh look, Fresco he bung his purse of ice. And if you guys would like to follow on the daily activities, go ahead and follow us on Instagram or Facebook. All right guys, so if you guys are going to the Miami boat rally, this is the marina we're going to be heading out. So if you're trailing down your boat, you see all the trailer spots there. You're going to leave your boat, your trailer and truck there, and you're going to go ahead and use this ramp, and we're going to head out through here, through the channel. This is Key Biscayne Granham Park Marina, and we're going to be going out and meeting up by behind the Miami's Aquarium, and I'm going to show you guys in a little bit where Miami's Aquarium is. So this is it. So if you're coming, you're gonna be seeing all this beautifulness. You see over there that, I don't know if you can see it in the video because it's kind of far, but that gold roof, that's Miami's Aquarium. We're gonna meet around the side there. So we're coming out of the ramp there, and then we're gonna go through here, and the staging area is gonna be right there, right behind Miami's Aquarium. So you're ready? We're ready. We're gonna have some fun. So, but today we're gonna have some fun here to enjoy this beautiful weather. So you guys ready for the weekend or what? Yeah. No, yes, baby. Yeah.
I'm excited.
You're excited?
Yeah, I haven't been in the water and the day's beautiful.
Yeah, today's beautiful.
And our water can't cool. I've been going into a
Yeah. And we're staying overnight. And we're off to enjoy this beautiful day here in Miami, Florida. And you guys can see we couldn't ask for a better day for the situation we're in, because I know the coronavirus is a very serious matter, but before everything gets locked down and we really have to stay home, we took advantage of this beautiful day and took a boat ride to one of our most favorite, prettiest island here in Biscayne Bay. And if you guys are not familiar with Biscayne Bay is actually south of downtown Miami. And from Biscayne to Boca Chita, it's about a 25-30 minute ride because we're cruising about 35 miles an hour. And you notice the chop is a foot or less, so it made it for a perfect, comfortable ride. See, Captain Fresquito made a perfect ride to Boca Chica, and we have arrived. And right away I noticed there was people anchored out outside the island and outside the seawall. So right away it made me think that all the spaces along the seawall were taken inside the marina. But I believe in luck, so I still headed in to check it out. And right away when you arrive to Boca Chica, you're gonna notice this beautiful lighthouse that hopefully they open it up, and I'll take you guys inside. As I expected, all the slips were full, and you notice a lot of boats were doubled up along the wall. But you guys remember, I said I believe in luck, and we got lucky because these good people that watch the channel recognized us and offered us to tie up next to them. They saved our weekend because if not, we would have to go outside and anchor out by the bay. It was great meeting Enrique and Alain and their families, the two captains of the boat that let us tie up to them. And after an hour or so of sharing common likes and boat stories, we took a walk around the island to show you guys how pretty this island is and how beautiful the day turned out to be. You can notice this is becoming to be a very popular spot. I've been coming here over 15 years, and I noticed that every year more boaters and more boaters are visiting the island and staying the whole weekend, either by camping or staying in a boat. And this is what I call paradise in your backyard, because this is only about 17 miles away from the coast of Miami. And sitting here at the marina watching the boats go by, I seen this one go by that I remember from the boat show, and I love the layout and I love the way it looks in the water. If I remember the specs on it, the cruising speed was 40 and it tops out at 65, so that's good enough for me.
Sony, aquí estamos con Fresco.
Hey, mira el capitán del bote. Okay, after a few hours, they were ready to pick up and go home. But don't feel bad because they were here since Thursday, So they had a good few days here at Boca Chica, but now we're gonna watch them load up the tender. It was great meeting Enrique and his family, but we're gonna stay here and enjoy the rest of the weekend. So we're here enjoying the beautiful sunny day, as you can see. And guess what time is it? What time is it? Yep, it's sausage time. You got it. And hamburger. So we're here enjoying a late lunch, and like you guys noticed, the kids are not here because my kids and their kids are out fishing. But me and Gabby decided to go ahead and take a walk to the lighthouse. But we got here late. The lighthouse opens twice a day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And right now it's like 4:30, so I guess it's too late. Alright, so I guess you guys thought I was the only crazy one coming out here to, you know, on the boat. But like you see, there's a lot of crazies here in Miami enjoying the, we're gonna call this coronavirus weekend since everything's gonna cancel. But yeah, there's spring break is going on here in Miami too, at least for the college students, not for the regular schools. But now the regular schools cancel school too, so I guess it's gonna be double spring break for the kids. But like you see, everybody's here having a good time, and the day turned out to be beautiful. Oh, to turn down the music. Where's the little dog? What's he eating?
The seaweed.
He's eating seaweed? You're eating seaweed, little doggy? Alright, so check out this. It's really cool, all these shells. Oh.
Look how perfect that one.
Yeah, that was nice.
It's not broken.
There's a whole bunch of them.
Or this one. I'm gonna keep these two. Look.
Yeah, that's nice.
Let's go to the other side. In the
Check
water.
out this.
How do you break this?
Okay, right now we're on the north side of the island, but we're gonna head over to the beach side. The beach is located on the northeast side of the island, and like you can see, there's people here enjoying the cool sunny weather. Where? That was a pretty one.
Me and Mom are sitting like this, and then you wet it, and then it comes soft. Did you pick up any shells or not?
No.
Is it fast?
Oh, this is good here. Wow, yeah, I know. It was never like this. So it got nice. The water's not that bad. Wow. Why?
touch it. It's dry.
Oh, okay.
And then the inside's wet. We tried going in the water. So
Like you can notice, Olguita and Yuli joined us. But we're gonna head over to the lighthouse again because we don't get tired of enjoying the beautiful view of the bay and the lighthouse. So far, so good.
The day turned out.
So go ahead and show you. Tired of getting sun.
Getting so much sun.
Yeah. See right? And she doesn't miss this opportunity to take pictures of this beautiful place. And if you follow us from before, you notice we have a lot of pictures of Boca Chica, but there's always room for new ones. And like you notice, the sunlight was perfect. And you know what else? Yuli found a friend too. Well, I don't know if Yuli liked them or not, but something I really liked was this beautiful sunset that we got to see. Now that was a beautiful sight to see. And you know what else is beautiful? We got to meet more people that enjoy boating lifestyle as much as we do. And they invited us to have dinner with their family. Now I feel thankful and grateful to have met them because we got to share this great moment with them. This is one experience that I and my family will never forget.
El cocinero.
Ah, ¿qué cocinero? Eso es sancochero.
El sancochero.
Riquísimo que le queda todo.
Coño, ¿esta cosa tuviste?
Claro, viste en cazuela con gris y todo, porque esto es a la mitad.
A la mitad.
50-50 americano y 50-50 cubano.
Aquí estamos con Fresco Channel. Aquí estamos el club Cuenta Millas Sin Frontera. El club de Cuenta Millas Sin Frontera. Que lo vamos para de Suma y para todos lados. Aquí estamos con Fresco Channel, disfrutando y descargando.
Está bueno, está bueno.
It was a great time with great people. And thank you guys, if you guys are watching, muchas gracias por invitarnos a comer. And like I said before, I do believe in luck, and I believe I was lucky enough to meet these great people. But it's getting late and we're heading back over to the boat so we can get some good night's sleep. But before that, I also got a chance to meet some great people that watch the channel.
Guys, I'm here with
Rene. I'm here with Boca Chita.
hanging out on a good night tonight. And you guys here what, the whole weekend?
Yeah, we do.
Nice to meet you guys.
In person.
Yeah,
Good
videos, awesome videos.
But guys, don't go away. Stay tuned for video number 2 here at Boca Chica.